Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a Ticketmaster gift card in 2026. So whether you want to buy the event tickets or you want to save your balance for later, this updated guide will walk you through the exact steps. So first of all, you need to either come here on ticketmaster.com in your web browser, or you can follow the same steps via your Ticketmaster mobile application. Just make sure that you log in into your account first. Now, here on the top, if you are using your web browser, you will see this gift cards option. So when you click on this gift cards option, you will be redirected here on this particular page. So here it is going to show you the option of buy. So with the help of this particular option, you can basically purchase e-gift card and you can even get a physical gift card. So among these options, you just have to select which one you want. After that, click on the option of buy. Now, as soon as you click on the option of buy, you will be redirected on the gift cards section where you need to enter the recipient's name if you want to send this gift card to your friends or family members. If you want to get it for yourself, you can just simply select the option of for me, then click on the option of pick a card. Then select whether you want to get a digital card or a physical card. After that, it is going to show you the Ticketmaster gift card. So click on the option of how much. So here simply select the value of the gift card. So after selecting it, you can either use Klarna for it. With the help of it, you can make the payments in 4 installments with 0% interest. So here simply click on the option of where to send your gift card. After that, provide your full name, your address, your state and postal code. Then click on the option of shipping. Then you need to basically make the payments and you will get your gift card. So after getting this gift card, what you can do is whenever you purchase any of the tickets from Ticketmaster during checkout, you can just simply use that gift card. You can also add that gift card in the payment method before even checkout. So this is how you can basically use it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.